Now listen carefully. I don't want to flog anybody today. This is quadratic equation. What did I say?
Quadratic equations.
Again?
Quadratic equations.
Good. Let's solve this. 3a plus 2 bracket 2a minus 7 bracket close is equals to 0. If 3a plus 2 is equals to 0, or 2a minus 7 is equals to 0, therefore 3a is equals to
minus 2.
Clap for yourselves. Now check this. 3a plus 2 is equals to...
Class 3.
Good afternoon, sir. You are welcome to our class. God bless you, sir.
God bless you too. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Please sit down.
Good day, sir.
Mr. Lazarus.
Sir.
I have a good news for you and for the whole class. But before I break the good news to you, I want our students to sing for us. Yeah. Everybody, let's sing. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you are happy and you know, clap your hands. Once more. Once again. Mr. Lazarus, I'm in such a happy mood today. Let me give you this. Just take a look at this. I see the wonderful news I have there for you.
Sir, the WAEC result is out.
Oh yes. You've done it again.
This is great.
Not only did our students pass their science subjects very well, but the school came up tops as the best graduating school in the whole state. It's all right. Thank you very much. They came out tops for the 5th consecutive time since we've employed you as our science teacher. Is that not wonderful? Mr. Lazarus.
Sir.
Let me give you a handshake first. You've done well. You've done really well.
Thank you very much, sir.
And the school has another news for you. Do I break it? Yes. Mr. Lazarus, for your wonderful job, for your excellence, the school has decided to increase your salary.
Told y'all I'm the most versatile artist in the country, right? About to prove it one more time. You know what I mean? What's happening, man? It's your boy,
Mama Papagame. I have made money.
All right, yeah.
I conquered money planet. Super World Bank. Beyonce respect me. Nicki Minaj respect me. Now let me shock you. Mama mo. Mama can go say again. Apatagabe ego. Ego Super World Bank. And that's for your son's name. Rings the bell. Mama. Mama. Uno na no Rihanna. She dines with your song. Rihanna dines with me. She dines with me. There's a kangwano. If we go motor on my boo. Listen, any motor or car that tries to carry my money, the brain boss will shatter. Mama, Nicki Minaj, 63. Yeah. Beyonce, dance with me. We're down together. We're down together. Mama, see the baby go. It's your time. Mama, it's your time. Mama, see the baby go. It's your time. Mama, from Chinu to Erima 1, aka Mama. Mama, Pataga Mego. Mama, I've made money. I have made money. Mama, I have made money. Mama, put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect. Over. Mama, sit over.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, what's happening in this compound?
You've not heard. It's Chinu Edo. He came back from abroad. And everybody's jubilating with the family.
Which Chinedu?
Chinedu, your best friend.
My own Chinedu?
Yes.
My childhood friend?
Yes.
He's back from abroad. Chinekemo. Let me go and see for myself.
Okay.
Hey! I'm going to walk out of Naka. Chinedu! Over! Chinedu!
Mama, sit over. Mama, hey! Very well. Mama, put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name.
Chinedu!
Lazarus the mathematician. Lazarus the mathematician. Yeah, because if the flag will play conflict, if the flag will go much bigger,
Hey!
So Mama Mo.
Hey, whoa. Hey.
Lazarus!
Lazarus! Chinedu, bye! Chinedu, bye, yo! Chinedu! Hey!
Lazarus! Chinedu! Go Mafa, see Eddie go one.
Eddie go one!
See Eddie go one.
Eddie go one!
Hey!
Eddie Hey!
Ego.
Chinu when you see it. If you want them, you want to hurry. Chinu do want them when you pull up. Chala pull up. Lazarus on your mama. On your kuko, when you say pull digo. If you was not a laka when them, I bachalanya.
Anywhere go. Mathematics. All is well. Hey.
Master of mathematics. One name. Where are you up to this morning?
As usual, I'm going to teach.
Hey! As one teaching you.
Yes, sir.
Well, you see, one thing I don't like about your profession is that they always say that teacher's reward is in heaven. But in your own case, your case is different.
Okay.
You can't be the best friend to Erimego and still remain poor. It's not possible. And I'll tell you something right now. Your reward starts right this moment.
Hey, Erimego, Erimego.
I know what name.
Hey, Erimego. Hey.
Just make do with this.
Hey. Hey.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I'm just coming back from the club where I spent like over $500,000 naira.
You spent over $500,000 in a club.
It's nothing now. You see, this is nothing compared to what I'm going to do for you in time to come.
Erimego.
Just make do with this.
My 1 year salary is not even up to 500,000. Look at, oh, thank you very much. Hey, hey.
Lazarus.
Hey, Erimego.
Lazarus.
Erimego.
Believe in my government and you'll never be poor ever in your life.
I'm with you.
If I can help people out there who are not close to me, let alone you, my best friend.
Hey.
Lazarus. Lazarus. Tuomafa.
Erimego.
Lazarus Tuomafa.
Erimego.
Lazarus asinge Tuomafa.
Erimego 1 n'Igbo land.
Situkwemozo.
Erimego 1 n'Igbo land.
Get off my shoulder.
Hey, European burger.
Get off my shoulder.
You are the hottest and freshest money in town.
Get off my shoulder, Lazarus.
Your perf is 1 in a million.
Get off my shoulder.
I say your money is unstoppable.
No, that's the truth.
Hey,
that's the truth.
That's the truth.
I said that's the truth.
That's the truth.
That's the truth.
That's the truth.
You see, Lazarus, you see the reason why, you see, you need to be upgraded a little. Ini Edo.
Okay.
Look at your pronunciation.
Okay.
The truth.
The truth.
The truth.
The truth.
Erimego! One more.
Erimego! Hey! Omu ye bugi je gbo ya Ya na wa Libya. Erimego. Erimego. Erimego.
I'm so on the way. Mama, it has happened again, no.
Inasibemena, Yamana Sindo, Okonya Bategono, wow, Webo Biangli. Inasibemena, Yamana Sindo, Okomata Bategono, why, Nebezanya respect. Okomata Bategono, Kenya, Winyano.
Hey, where do you go?
Lazarus.
I greet you, boss.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Lazarus, are you sure you want to do this?
Yes. My mind is made. I really want to do this.
I mean, have you thought deeply over your decision?
Over and over again, my mind is made.
All right, very well then. I'd like to say congratulations. Welcome to the club.
Thank you very much.
So get the car ready. I'll be out for a party in a bit.
Thank you very much.
So we'll discuss later. And then don't forget, we'll just some. The interior of the car.
No, I'll fix it.
Try and fix it up.
I'll
Stinks.
Fix it. I'll fix it.
Stinks.
I'll fix it.
Inasibemena, Ubiamana Sindo, Okomata Bategono, why, Nebezanya respect. Okomata Bategono, Kenya, Winyano. I pull up a Inasibemena, Yamana Sindo, Okonya Bategono, wow, Webo Biangli. Jay-Z, I've been smart to the mix, I'm busy, yeah. Okay, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she da move, she da make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she da move, she da make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that does the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtake. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never chop right Obama. Mama the sucker, we not give a fuck. Mama the sucker, we not give a fuck. Dance so my lady, you dare make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Me and you tonight. Cause you want chop when you not go down. So you want follow me, now go down. So you want follow me, go down. Me and you for stage, now show down. Hey, my lady, dance for me, my baby. I go spare you my money. Baby, please don't go for me. Oh yeah,
shoes, beautiful. Teach me how to dance, we always dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring front. Let me show you how we do this. Not be saying I talk, allow me to my mentor. Music on my hobby, all of them shock up, cause I could use hot. Have your own toys, I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your body, I'll buy you Ferrari. Dance, 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 dance. Enter the party, dance, dance, dance. I spray you the money, dance, dance, dance. You show me the money, dance, dance, dance. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Work for me, make we dance, oh. Cause I'm living director's life, oh. Sexy lady, no I'm yo. See this shawty too fine, oh. Work for me, make we dance, oh. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me dey whine, whine, whine. When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, they always in one low. It's a bad boy, give me body instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me body instrumental. If I somebody broke up, someone knocking on my door with no lever. You see the phone calls, or your contact. Yeah, it's God, oh, listen the screamer. Watch it, I'm watching. Watching the very man, I'm low dirty. If you want to try me, and make you know something. If you want to try me, and make you know something. Now we be in the morning, anywhere over there with the rider. Now we be in the morning, I'm giving them a shot to the highest. Now we be in the morning, anywhere over there with the runner. Why you hang the morning? Watch them, who should I make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. Baby, dance, make her dance, oh. Dance, make her dance. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dey dance, the way she dey move, she dey make me wine, wine, wine. When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, they always in one low. It's a bad boy, give me body instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me body instrumental. If I somebody broke up, someone knocking on my door with no lever. You see the phone calls, or your contact. Yeah, it's God, oh, listen the screamer. Watch it, I'm watching. Watching the very man, I'm low dirty. If you want to try me, and make you know something. If you want to try me, and make you know something. Now we be in the morning, anywhere over there with the rider. Now we be in the morning, I'm giving them a shot to the highest. Now we be in the morning, anywhere over there with the runner. Why you hang the morning? Now we be in the morning, now we be in the morning, anywhere over there with the runner. Now we be in the morning, with a kill on the shot to the highest. Now we be in the morning, anywhere over there with the runner. Why you hang the morning? Now we be in the morning. Bad man cheesy.
Yeah.
Chinu.
It's correct yourself.
Alright, I'm sorry. Ini Edo.
Okay.
You are spending unnecessarily too much on these girls. It's too much.
Are you okay? Are you the one who made the money for me? No, I'm asking you.
No. As a friend. You
Hey. See, Lazarus, let me tell you, let this be the first and last time you will advise me over my money. How I made my money, you don't know. How I hustle abroad, you don't know. How I hustle Europe, you don't know. Please.
I'm sorry.
How much is there? How much is remaining?
100,000.
Name the money.
It's just that you...
Let this be the first and last. Truth. I forgive you for your sins.
Truth.
Let's go.
Original dancehall. Why you not best man? Baby, one is loaded. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna complete on you. My baby, it's a Friday night. You got me no feel alright. We don't push, we don't take a high.
Follow belly fake, one kata boba fifia. Intellectual calamity.
Yeah, now you start going.
I can't go now. It's late.
Find your way. Don't
Get sense, my brother.
talk later. Okay?
I said, get sense. Some people no get house, but they want to go and buy big cars. So some people no fit shop, but they want to build a big house. So it's like my brother. You can't dream anything, no.
Lazarus!
But you have to work hard. You have to.
Lazarus, who did this to you? Eh? Who did this to my son?
Woman, we caught this criminal here roaming the street at a dangerous hour of the night. And there have been several cases of armed robbery attacks in our community recently. So we brought him here to confirm if this place is his house before handing him over to the police.
My son?
Yes, he's a criminal.
Criminal?
Yes.
Hey!
I'm not a criminal. Mama, tell them I'm not a criminal.
You don't need to be told. Who does not know Lazarus, a mathematics teacher in the entire local government? My God will never forgive you people for what you did to my son.
Sorry. Are you telling me that this is the famous mathematics teacher we're hearing about?
No, I'm not the one. You see you two? I'll see you in court. Any maker must hear this.
So you people don't ask questions before you shower accusation on someone? My God will never forgive you people for what you did to my son!
I will sue the hell out of you people. Both of you, see you in court. I will sue the hell out of you people. Rubbish.
No, sorry, we don't know. But why would a responsible teacher like him be roaming the street by that time of the night? Please, we are very sorry. We have heard so much about him. We are very sorry.
We are sorry, please forgive us. My sister will now.
See you all in court.
If you happen to him, please forgive us, please.
God will never forgive you people.
Lazarus, the school wants you back. Please, if there's anything you want us to do for you, for us to have you back, bring it on. We are ready to do anything for you. The school cannot afford to miss you.
Yes, my love. Your teaching profession is more noble than being an errand boy.
Okay, mind your language. Be specific. Point of correction. Errand boy to Erimego. Mr. Principal, yes. I am the breadwinner of my family. Okay? My family needs money. And such money cannot come through teaching. I have a new boss, Erimego, aka Money Planet. That is my next hope for mega money. So I'm done teaching. Simple.
Hey, Lazarus, you can still make much money from teaching profession.
I can make mega money from teaching.
Yes. Oh yes.
Teacher Onogi. Mr. Principal, for once, you have succeeded in making yourself stupid. How do you expect me to make mega money through teaching in this country? Joke of the day. I'm done teaching and that's final. And don't you ever stop me to talk this trash.
Sweetheart, please. But my spirit does not like that guy. I don't like him for anything.
Your spirit does not accept that guy. You don't like him. We are talking about money. You are talking about your spirit. Let me tell you what you don't know. When I make mega money, even your spirit will be left with no option than to celebrate me. Your spirit, Omankanako. Your spirit, Kita, Omankanako. Listen, my boss, Erimego, aka Money Planet, sent me to clear a check for him in that bank down there. Don't delay my movement. I am done teaching and that's fine.
Lazarus! Lazarus! Hey.
Sir, please. I promise I will talk to him.
Please do.
I know he loves teaching job more than any other thing. Just give me a little time. I will talk to him.
Okay. Please do, eh? Because our school is at the verge of collapse if he does not come back.
I will try my best.
Please do.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No problem.
How can
cause I change the weather. I am the magician, cause I bring the cheddar. On your bona, no, like say I be musician. I'm gonna go by my song. Elive was the mega. Chinu Edo, Ita, I was a mega money, mega tycoon. When they charlie my how far, I'm gonna come closer to be my far. Come bog a dollar. You see this life, my brother. It no be as you think. Man they walk but not God they do in everything that I put.
Boss, I'm back.
Lazarus, why is it at any time I have fun, Woma Bayachi? Anytime I have fun, Woma Bayachi, that's where you come and intrude. Huh? Now kiss you one more time, Bayachi. So how much you have there?
500,000 naira.
500,000 naira. My teacher has always said, let me have it. Oh, baby, you touching my diggy. You touching my diggy. You touching my diggy. What you touching on? Let me use God. Cheese. Now say cheese. 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 Yeah. This is 200,000 naira for me.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
You can say that again. No, baby. This is another 200,000 grams for you. Now kiss it. This is Benjamin. Kiss Mola. This is Mola. Kiss dough. This is dough. Kiss money. This is money. Kiss.
Oh. Wow.
Spin on. One more kind of baby nigga. Lolo. Now take this 100,000 and go pay off my bills, take care of my responsibility for the hotel responsibility.
Okay. Boss, don't be angry. With all due respect, 200,000 naira is too much for these girls. We have beautiful girls in this village. 3,000 naira per night. You still have fun.
Excuse me? Do you know what it costs to have a slave queen?
What is slave queen? Slave queen on ego. Ego neke jebidafia.
Does it look like this bushman know what slave queen is?
What is slave? Is it by drawing your eye pencil to up there? What's slave queen? 200,000 naira is too much for you girls.
Hey. Lazarus.
Boss.
It's okay. See, this means nothing to me compared to what my currency is in dollars. It's not fair. Huh? Respect my conglomerate.
That's the truth.
Respect my conglomerate, Lazarus.
That's the truth.
Respect my conglomerate.
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 That's the truth.
Respect my conglomerate. They started again. They started again. They're killing me. They're killing me. They're killing me. They're killing me.
Leave me alone. What's all this? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What's all this?
Look what you have turned yourself into. Look what you have turned yourself name of following Erimego? What have you gained from him but poverty and becoming a wretched houseboy and slave altogether?
Mama, patient dog, they say, eats the fattest
Will you
bone.
shut up? I did not give birth to a dog. I gave birth to a son. To a talented mathematics teacher, not a drunkard, humanizer, and a poor rat that Erimego has turned you into.
Brother, are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? How could you have descended from a breadwinner to a bread beggar, or in the name of following Erimego, who does not even have any plan of helping you? How could you have done that?
If I slap you, your color will normalize. Are you sick? Are you sick? Huh? Listen, I'd rather beg for bread today and build my own bakery tomorrow. I can't continue to waste my time in that classroom, teaching and preparing future millionaires for other families while I waste my precious time. Listen, I believe in Erimego. I believe in my childhood friend, Erimego.
Shut up!
Show me how to make money. Leave me alone.
Will you come back here? Will you shut up? Stop! Hey, stop here! Stop! Come back here. She is speaking the truth. Erimego does not mean well for you. Yes. What kind of a friend is it that he will spend money in expensive hotel, hiring a prostitute for you, spending his millions on parties, women, and all that, where he cannot even give you 5,000 naira? Ordinary 5,000 naira. Look at what you have turned yourself to. Look at what your life has turned to.
Let me worry about that. Let me worry about that. Leave me alone. I believe in my friend Erimego. He will show me how to make money. Trust. In fact, baby, listen. Don't worry. Don't mind them. I know what I'm doing, okay? Don't mind them. I'm sacrificing for a better tomorrow. I believe and trust in my friend Erimego. He will teach me how to make mega money, okay? So relax. As for you too, I swear, I will make mega money and surprise all of you.
Look at this mega fool. Mega fool. Mega idiot. Useless son. We are waiting for you. Rubbish. Mega big fool, that's what you are. Nonsense boy. Useless boy. Don't know where you came from.
Last, my man.
Money planet.
Last, my man. Last, how you doing?
I'm good, my chairman and my friend.
So, Last, shall we?
Oh, why not? But please, my chairman and my friend, there is something I would like us to talk about, please.
Bring it on, boy.
You see, it's been 6 months now since I dumped my teaching career because of the mega money you promised me. The truth is, I have exhausted my savings, and some people are laughing at me. Some are even calling me a fool. So please, I want to know, when will this miracle manifest?
Now listen to me and listen real good, Lars. I understand you quite clearly. But I want you to know something. You and I will agree I don't have any business right here in Nigeria. All my businesses are in Europe. And then I've made plans, preparations. As we speak, I'm processing your papers. You'll follow me down to Europe next month.
It's a lie. Next month,
truth.
Me, Lazarus, you're taking me to Europe.
Straight up.
Hey, let me hug you. No, let me not stay here. I don't want to stay you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Me, Europe. Hey, I will shame my enemies. I will shock my mother. Gloria will hear from me. In fact, this whole village will hear from me. Lazarus in Europe. Hey! Thank you very much.
Now this is what you're going to do now. Acknowledge me.
Acknowledge you.
Lazarus dead off my shoulder.
Dead?
Death off my shoulder.
Death off your shoulder? I'm not kidding you.
Dead it off again.
Erimego!
You can do better than this.
Money planet! My chairman and my friend.
Acknowledge me.
My chairman and my friend. Money planet. Erimego!
That's the truth.
European burger.
That's the truth.
You have too much money.
That's the truth.
You are my best.
That's the truth.
Lazarus in Europe.
That's the truth.
Elmego! Hi! I'll give it. Europe, here I come. Europe, here I come. Europe, that one they used to do like this. Oh, mama.
Let's go.
Hey!
I'm my favorite bro.
Hey!
Acknowledge me.
I will.
Acknowledge me.
I will.
Acknowledge me.
Lazarus in Europe.
Acknowledge me.
Lazarus in Europe.
That's the truth.
Hey, Erimego. Money planet. Money planet. European burger. European burger.
Waiting mega. When there's no kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu bami fene mezi. Ogini mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinti ida fuso. If any name mega. My bank account is mega. My pocket mega. One naturally my halfa. One to my far. The good no wa. Onwale body. The good each ne do so. Kita na kwasi venza. One nature tazi kwa. Wina wukwa. Nkuzi chelu gabu konde kwa lige exam. One no borotata. Everything all the time. Back then it was your time. Right now it's my time. You mathematician. It cannot solve for commands. Akukoni ni maze no wa. One naked do how far.
Hey, Migo, good afternoon.
Hello, how are you, girl?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you mind joining me for a party and have a taste of my money planet?
I would have loved to, but my mother sent me on an errand.
Interesting. All right, very well then. Give me a call.
I don't have a phone.
Don't have a phone? Big girl like you.
I don't have.
This is strange. Okay. Lazarus.
My chairman and my friend.
Give her your phone.
Huh?
I said give the phone to her, I'll get you another.
Okay. Let me remove my SIM.
It's not necessary. I would like to contact her with your number. So give it to her. Fast.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right, you take good care of yourself. I'll call you later.
All right.
Please, my chairman and my friend, there is no food in our house. So I would really appreciate it if you can convert all the drinks that you will buy for me today to Naira so that my people can cook and eat at home, please, instead of drinks.
Lazarus, I'll see to that. Now move.
Thank you very much.
When there's no kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu bami fene mezi. Ogini mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinti ida.
We be the baddest. I rap, I sing, I come MC. I go on the show, I back fancy. I go on the club, I pop something. Every girl, mommy, go I got something. Do up, share cozy. Kilo fire, emergency. Now me be the baddest. See, I get money for anywhere. I go on the club, I go anywhere. I go anywhere, see, and every day. respect to my mom and dad for bringing me to this ride, and mostly to Almighty God. I pray to Almighty God, keep you safe, man. Respect to all my producers. And I know, yeah.
It's not on the mix.
I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming when they get the money. Feel next year by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva. She said I got fever. I got her for liver. We put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7-Up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we the run them. Hey. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Hey. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we the run them. Hey. YSG the baddest. Hey. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I'm really with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee's in one look. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy, somebody verbal. Someone knocking on my door, weeks, no lever. You still the phone boss for your pockets. There is God, listen the screamer. Watching, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try me, make you know something. Listen the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make her follow your way.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we the run them. Hey. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Hey. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we the run them. Hey. YSG the baddest. Hey. Now we be the baddest.
Come back. Shut up, come down. Come down.
All of you, come down.
Don't move. We are here for stop and search.
Officer, there is nothing incriminating in this car. Trust me.
Come down! Officer, search that car. If you move, I move you.
There is nothing in my...
Shut up!
Do it.
Fight it proper.
Officer, you go and tramadol.
Bring it here. Bring that idiot.
All of you are under arrest in position of India here and tramadol.
Look, if you move, I choose life out of you.
What?
You go and tramadol.
Indian hem and the tramadol.
Yes.
What are you doing? Are you having body pain? What are you doing with tramadol?
Lazarus, it's okay, it's okay. Officers, can I have your attention?
I'm listening.
Can I have your attention?
I said I'm listening.
Can I have your attention?
Are you a pastor? I'm listening.
Now listen attentively. How much is this offense?
What?
I said, How much is this offense?
Are you trying to bribe me?
Lazarus, bring out that money you have.
I don't have cash on me. We spent every...
Come on, shut up. What do you mean you spent everything? I saw you picking some change, you put it in your pocket. Come on, bring those change you have in your pocket. I'll take.
Is it me you have given this pictures? Come down, let's go to the station. We can't settle this matter here.
Officer, have this.
I said come down before I excuse life out of you.
Frustrated beings.
Don't worry, come down.
Listen, Lazarus, follow them to the station. I'll come and pay you up tomorrow morning.
Officer, take him away. Move.
Respect my conglomerate.
Move.
I'm a born-again Christian. Move. I'm a born-again Christian.
Some people no get house, but they want to go and buy big cars. Oh. Some people no fit shop, but they want to build a big house. Oh. This life, my brother, you can't dream anything. Lazarus, anya mama, anya kuko, we mesa bulodibo. If you was in a kalaka,
how well. When you're born because I change the weather. I am the magician, cause I bring the cheddar. When you're born like say I be musician. I'm gonna go my song. Elivre was the mega. Chinu, Ubuleke, guitar, I was a mega. Mega. Because I changed the weather.
Yeah, hello, how you doing?
Good day, sir.
Pretty damn, sir. Can I have some minutes of your time?
Please, I'm going to the river to fetch some water.
Huh? Well, the water can wait. While I have some word with you. Is that okay?
My mother needs this water urgently. I have to go now, sir, please.
Hold on. Lazarus.
Yes, boss.
Ah, Sir Lazarus. Good day, sir.
Gift, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. We have really missed your teachings. It's been a while, sir.
Well, Lazarus, I want you to go, take the bucket she's having, go fetch that water at the river while I have a word with her.
This girl is my student now. I can't fetch water for her.
Lazarus, listen to me. You know how this thing goes. Just take the bucket, fetch water. All right? Just a little word with her, okay? And then we're done.
Erimego, I love and respect you so much. But fetching water for my own student is somehow...
Lazarus, swallow your pride and get rich. It's all about getting rich. Chitakwa Maki Europe. All right, don't worry. It's my boy.
Don't worry.
When I bought how far, up on how well. When you're born no, because I changed the weather. I am the magician, cause I bring the cheddar. When you're born no, like say I be musician. I'm gonna go by my song. Elivre was the mega. Chinu, Ubuleke, guitar, I was a mega. Mega money, mega tycoon. When nature in my how far, I'm gonna come closer. To be my far, come borg dollar. You see this life, my brother, it no be as you think. Na man they walk but na God they do in everything that I put hand, na mega. What the evo? They got this ball, European burger, but I never name is a big ball. One day, Jeff, you was my boy. I used to call you my boy. You call me son.
Lazarus.
I used to be your teacher.
Lazarus, so what I heard is true. Lazarus, you now run errands for your own student. Eh?
Hi.
Hey, Chimo!
Mama, have you joined the gossipers in this village? Eh? Have you joined them? I'm working for my money. Mama, I know what the problem is. These village people are so jobless that all they do is to sit down and gossip with my name. But guess what? I don't care. I am working for my money, so I don't care what anybody says about it. Simple.
How? So this Europe madness has reached to this level, my son. Eh?
Mama, I am trying to make money. Making money is not easy. It's not beans. So I'm trying my possible best to make sure I make money. So leave me alone.
By running errands for your own students just because Erimego wants to have her. It was a houseboy.
Mama, Ego Jol. Erimego is on money and I need money. I'm trying my best to liberate our family from poverty and you are here disturbing me. Leave me alone.
By running errands for your own students just because Erimego wants to have her. He thought he was a houseboy. He was a slave, Lazarus.
Mama, as you can see, I'm on duty. Time is money. Excuse me.
Lazarus, who has done this to my son? How? You made me far. How? How, Lazarus? So you have turned to a houseboy for Erimego? Lazarus, you're not a slave. Lazarus, you're a fool. You were who? You shot a walk again, my Lazarus.
Oh God, you can't seem to amaze me. You know what? Lazarus, you ought to have finished washing this car by now. What's keeping you?
I'm almost rounding up. Chizoba, Erimego, that's my woman.
Hey, shove it off, Lazarus. I keep telling you this. Shove it off.
You don't understand.
No. There's nothing to understand. I think it's about time. What is this? You can always get any woman off your test. Why this particular one? What's your problem, Lazarus?
I have been with this woman for over 8 years.
Then so what? So what? Give me a man.
Chizoba, you're hiding your face. Chizoba.
You've been with her for 8 years. Give me a man. What happens?
Chizoba,
Listen, Lazarus. Listen. And listen real good. The choice is yours. To make money, to make mega money, or chase after women. Ask you one more time. Mega money, chase after women. Which one do you choose?
I choose money
for
women.
So what are you now saying? See, Lazarus, see, let me tell you something. You're my friend, okay? Any woman of your choice, it's a matter of going to the club. But I will just produce one for you. I can't go even. Why must it be this? Eh? I've told you I'm taking you to Europe. Or if I can name you there, just take it easy. Europe. Europe is very important. Europe. Lazarus. Europe. Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe, Lazi. Europe.
Respect. Okoye batekono wa umwebo biangoli. Inasimemena ubiamana sindo. Okwangwata batekono wa enyebezenya respect.
Yeah, so just go prepare yourself for the club tonight.
Will you be waiting here?
Sure, of course I will.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Take your time. It's my baby. Hurry up. Dear Lazarus, are you sure you dated this girl for 8 years?
Yes, I did.
Because it took a lot of promises for her to allow me break her in. Sure you know what you're saying?
Yeah.
Alright, very well then. Have this, go get me a packet of condom. Hurry up before she comes back.
Didn't take it easy now. Besides, I don't like all this touching and kissing. They'll let us go straight to the main thing.
Straight to the point. Direct entry.
Yes, no.
Who is that now, eh? Joy killer. Who? Oga, come in, sir. Oga, hey. Oga.
That's it. Biko, I just want condom.
Condom?
So, for just one condom, I want one condom.
This is the last one.
Wokem, don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. Just give me any condom you have right now. Let me leave.
Boss, with all due respect, my Ogodogo Maya is at the verge of penetrating. I give you.
Shh, don't tell me that. Give me the last one that you have. Let me go. After all these village boys, they do without condom. Are you different from them? What's wrong with you?
Don't provoke me. This is
injury tanker in a waiver. You don't want to go to Europe?
No, I can't forfeit my future because of a woman.
Oh, so you man in my future. When you go condom. Seriously, you don't want to go to Europe. You don't want to go to Europe.
I can't do this.
Meanwhile, hey, Jesus, hey. Jesus, you need the info. You need to see the. Hey. The girl she's well endowed. She's well endowed. You're missing something. But come on, Europe is better than the other.
Let me lock the door. So that's how my Oga behaves. Let's
Mr.
continue.
Man,
Yeah?
what do you want to do?
Nigaro.
Where is your condom?
I just gave him the last one. Let's do Nigaro.
Case closed. Nothing for you tonight.
Hotel!
What more is left of you? Tell me,
What more is left of you? Erimego has robbed you of your self-esteem, your career, your reputation, and now your fiancé. Still, you're hoping on him. You!
Mama. Erimego, aka Money Planet, has not done up to 1%. 1% of what poverty has done to this family. Whichever way he wants it, I concur. Mega money is the only option.
Chai, you called Mama 3 times. Now I have to call you 3 times. Brother. When will you wake up from this omega slumber? When? Ask him.
In case you don't know, the poverty in this family has developed resistance to Naira and Kobo. I need foreign currency like dollar, pounds, euro to break the wall of poverty in this family. Why can't you understand this?
Chai, look at it.
Erimego, aka Money Planet, is the only way to mega money, so leave me alone.
Hey, look at him. Look at this useless son. Look at this mega fool.
So what's wrong?
Look at this Erimego slave.
That's my middle name.
That's what you are. Slave! You're a big fool! Come back, I want to for you that stupid money and mega money. You're a useless son.
As if I
stupid and useless son, I don't know where he came from. Rubbish. I'm waiting for you, come back. Come back with that your mega stupid money.
Hey! Erimego International! Hey, my chairman! Where's his car? Money Planet! Mama? Mama, good morning, ma.
Lazarus?
Ma?
Kedu?
I'm fine, ma. This one you're at home by this time. Didn't you go to morning market?
No, my son, I did not. I'm still missing my son who traveled back this morning. Honestly.
Sorry. Say that again.
Were you not aware that Erimego traveled back to Europe this morning with Chizoba?
Mama, please, with all due respect, this joke is expensive. Be serious. Where is Erimego? Okay, where is his car?
He told me that he's going to park his car at his friend's place in the city. All these questions, Seth. Are you not his friend? Were you not supposed to know that he traveled?
Mama, are you serious?
Of course.
Like Erimego has gone back to Europe.
Lazarus, I'm asking you.
Erimego has gone back to Europe.
He has gone back.
Yeah.
Somebody help! Lazarus! Lazarus! Lazarus!
Dia? Anam Pama.
Uncle, you're welcome, sir. Auntie, you're welcome.
May you swallow that your tongue there. If you ever call me your uncle again, you murderer.
Did I hear him call me auntie?
Just imagine.
Eh? May thunder fire that your mouth, you poor auntie. I'm not here.